You keep losing trades, and deep down, you think maybe you're just not cut out for this. But here's the twist. Most successful traders thought the exact same thing before everything clicked. I've seen accounts crash. I've seen hope fade. And I've seen what happens when you replace randomness with structure. I'm here to break the loop you're stuck in and show you what consistent traders are doing differently. If you're serious about results, listen up. And while I'm sharing some important thoughts with you, I'll run through a couple of trades that the smart robot will help me with. Yes, I have implemented AI in my work and it helps me to stay alert. So now the robot has scanned the market and given me a report. Its recommendation is higher. This is the Australian and Canadian dollar currency pair, over-the-counter trading, 5 minutes. Yes, the bot knows how to work not only with the base currency pairs, but also with OTC currency pairs. It is convenient. You can receive recommendations on any day, at any time of day, even at night and on weekends. Friends, you can get this robot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. Always stay up to date with important news and insights on this channel. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. It will help me a lot in scaling the channel. We are growing and evolving with you. Now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I'm sharing my experience. It's not financial advice. I'm showing you how I do it. Every trader wants to talk about indicators and entries, but no one wants to talk about what actually saves your account: position sizing. If you're risking more than 1 to 2% per trade, you're walking a tightrope with no net. A $100 account? Trade with $1 too. A $1,000 account? $10, $20, max per setup. This is how you stay in the game long enough to learn. This rule is your bulletproof vest. Ignore it and even the best strategies can't protect you. Repetition builds resilience. Discipline isn't exciting, it's repetitive, but so is greatness. You think Serena Williams felt motivated every morning? You think Elon Musk got excited for every failed rocket test? No, but they showed up anyway. That's the kind of mindset you need to build in trading. Because the moment you stop chasing wins and start chasing structure, you shift from desperate to dangerous. When I started, I thought every trade needed to be the big one. I'd see a setup and go in heavy. Once, I risked nearly half my account on a USD pair just because the candles looked convincing. That trade sank like a rock. Everything changed when I forced myself into discipline. I capped every position at 2%. I stopped trading without clear confirmation. I used my signals assistant to filter setups. The result? Smaller drawdowns, calmer sessions, better decisions. So I successfully completed the first operation. Now it's time for step 2. Fixed profit gave me a new recommendation: lower. Now the bears can take advantage of the bounce from the resistance zone. Friends, our team has a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most traders aren't building skill, they're chasing emotion. They want to feel smart. They want to feel like the hero. But trading isn't a Marvel movie. There's no big explosion, no dramatic reversal. Winning comes from planning, from routine, from doing boring things exceptionally well. If your strategy changes every week, if your sizing depends on how confident you feel, you're not trading, you're guessing. What to actually do. Trade no more than 1 to 2% of your account, ever. Confirm your setup on 2 time frames. Don't enter until everything aligns. Trend, volume, momentum. Use the Signals Assistant to validate the setup, not to replace your thinking. Keep a journal. Log the trade. Log the logic. Log your mindset. Review that journal weekly. Refine, improve, repeat. The assistant isn't some magic button. It's structure. It filters out setups that don't meet your criteria. It makes sure you're not acting on impulse. It's the calm voice that says, don't force this trade. Wait. That kind of accountability is hard to build on your own. That's why this tool matters. It turns your strategy into a repeatable process. Right now, the assistant is available completely free, forever, but only for the next 30 days. Miss this window and it moves to a subscription. That's the deal. Free now or paid later. No second chances. Hit like if this hit home. Drop a comment. How do you structure your trades? What's your go-to indicator or rule that's made you better? Subscribe for more blunt strategy and no fluff. And click the link in the description to grab the assistant before it goes behind a paywall. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You've seen my results on your screens, folks. Subscribe and take the fixed profit. More to come.